Welcome back YouTube, VST here, Velenspeed. Are you watching the FIFA World Cup in Qatar? Yeah, in case not, then you probably have time for another customization video. This home screen, almost like this, is made by my pal Ujival, but I'm gonna show you today a very nice Telegram channel where you can get tons of good ideas, wallpapers, icon packs, widgets on how to transform your phone. Yesterday I did a very short video about this, but I believe it deserves a full-blown video. Why? Because this channel, guys, will give you crazy good ideas. There are so many icon packs out there, there are so many widgets out there, there are even more wallpaper applications. At some point it becomes really very hard for you to just filter out the good ones, and I do believe that's kind of like gonna be the new, or probably the fancy power of the internet, curation, guys. Because, you know, in the old times there was no information at all, so every piece of information was good information because none existed. Right now we live in the era where we have tons of information, which means, yeah, the quality is very bad, so we need curation. That's why we have channels like mine. And if you're here for the first time, guys, then you might want to subscribe to my channel and probably, yeah, score a goal. But now back to the topic, guys. There is a channel on Telegram run by Andrew Dude. I'm going to leave, of course, a link down below inside my video description. And why do I like this channel, guys? So you can just see like, oh yeah, one standard Telegram channel, what the heck, it's all the same. No, it's not the same. This guy here is posting user home screen setups. So he's giving information on the wallpapers that I use, the application, the launchers that I use, also the widgets that I use, and the icon packs. And I can give you a very good example from my pal Ujival here. He's using the stock One UI launcher, which I'm doing as well. He's using the One UI icon pack that I'm also using, the ones from Pasha Puma. The wallpaper is from Wallipop, and the widgets he's using are Glass 12 KWGT, which of course is a paid up. The One UI icon pack as well. Check this one here. Cute setup by Andrew Dude. He's using the Nova launcher. The wallpaper is by Pastel Wallpapers. The widgets from Sunshine KWGT, and icons are from UIcon. Sometimes, guys, when you click down below in the comments, you find a discussion on how to set it up. And of course, even sometimes there's gonna be more things like Nova backup files, which means eventually, if you do run Nova launcher, you can just download the backup file, restore it, and then you're gonna get all these crazy settings. And of course, sometimes like here, Simplicity, a setup by Andrew Dude. He's using a launcher Nova. He's using the wallpaper below, which means that you can directly go and download the wallpapers in very good quality. Widgets, the one from Autumn KWGT, and the icons are from Line-X. So let me just try to show you how this works. If you want to use this one, for example, guys, you need to install the Nova launcher. The good news is that sometimes these applications also have a free version. I, of course, have the Nova Prime, but in case you don't want to pay, you can always use the free one. Then the wallpaper you can download from below. The widgets here that I use are Autumn KWGT, and the icons are Line-X. So how do we check them out, guys? You go inside, then you can just see, all right, Line-X icon pack costs you around €1. Then we have also the Autumn KWGT. This costs you €1.50. But after you download all of those things, guys, you can replicate the very exact same setup, which is absolutely mind-boggling and beautiful. Now, you know, what I do like is, guys, you don't even need all these tools. Sometimes I just go inside and use the wallpaper because I just like them. So if I'm gonna show you right now, I download this wallpaper, guys. I can hit here the preview, and sometimes I just go on this channel, guys, and check wallpapers because, again, they give them away for free. Boom, now I have a very nice wallpaper, and I can of course experiment with different widgets and with different icons pack. But the options here really are so many, and this is what I do like about it. Sometimes you will even get a Nova backup file. The best value from this channel is, again, all these nice setups, guys, so that you really don't have to think them. You can just explore them from here. You can take those ideas and reiterate and even make them better. The options really are unlimited, and this channel really is a nice one. Help this guy grow, Andrew Dude. I'm gonna post the link down below inside the video description. Go there and check all the ideas. I can promise, guys, it's gonna be a lot of fun. And again, don't forget to also subscribe for my channel, guys. And now back to the FIFA World Cup.